Okay, this is what we had from our last class. But now we want to add a logo somewhere here, and I won't use an image logo. I'll use a text-based logo. So I'll put the logo on this side. Okay, so let's go straight to it. So I'll come here after the first div that we have. So it's still gonna be part of this div. So I'll put underneath it, and I'm gonna call it H1. Okay, H1, and then call the University, and then make sure you close it. Always don't forget to close your tag. Okay, so you close that way. So I've added the H1, but I've not styled it, so it's going to look ugly. So I'm just going to save it, and then let's see how it looks like before we continue. So just added it, and see how it looks like right there. I've not done anything; it's just black, it's just on the side. But let's do styling to it right now. So let's style it and see how it looks like after styling. Okay, and so I'm just going to go straight to the style sheet. Okay, and there's a style sheet right here, and I've used H1. H1 is just like the A tag as well, and so what we have with the H1 is we just have H1, you know. Look at that, we have A right here. So top nav A. Okay, so there's no dot. There's no dot A. There's no dot H1. So I'm going to introduce I would introduce, you can see it's dot top nav, but there's no dot A, there's no, so I'm going to introduce the H1 here. So if we use H1, H2, H3, the same thing. So here I have dot top nav, okay, then I'll use my H1. Okay, let's use H1, and then open and close. Okay, let's close, open and close H1. Okay, and then inside the H1, I'm just going to style my H1 right here. So I'm going to use the text color, and I'm going to change it because what we saw when we saw it without styling, we saw black. But I'll make it white, and you can use the color code, you can type white. I'm just going to type white. It's just depending on what you want. It's the same thing. Okay, and so there's no need to float left, but automatically goes there because the first thing there is showed on the right. But to full righteousness, if I decide to just put it won't actually be of any. So just put float left. Okay, so we floated that left right there. And so we can have a look and see what we have now. We'll save it and see how it looks like. We still would have some more work on it, but let's see how it's come out now. This side was before the styling. So done a little bit of work. So you can see it's now white, and it's still on the left, which is okay. But on this side, we have some work to do because this is up there, and the space here is just a lot, and and so we need to adjust that. That's the padding. So let's have a look at the padding for that. So we'll go to the padding. Let's go straight to the padding where we have the padding for the A. So we have the padding 10 pig for top. Top is 10 p, and so I'll increase it. Sorry, I'm just in the wrong thing. So you have the padding at 10 right here. So I would increase it to 30. Okay, and then top right. This is the right. Okay, the right and the well, the right and the left of the text of each of the texts. Um, I would love to make it a little bit more. So 20, 20. Okay. Then the bottom is important to me as well. I'm gonna make it 30. Sorry, top right bottom. This is 30. Okay. Remember, and then this is the left. So I mean it's 20. Okay. So let's save it now, and then let's have a look at what we have. we'll get the page and refresh it now and see. Okay, so you can see it's almost we're almost there, but I still don't like that. So I still want to work a little bit on the button and possibly increase it. So this top right button, I'll make it 40, and I think I'll be fine with that. Okay, so you can see now it's the way it should be. So so we have our logo on the left, and then we have that on the right, and that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.